Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable to Kiai Haji Muhammad Hasan Mutawakkil Alullah SHMM as the caretaker of Zainul Hasan Islamic Boarding School. The Honorable to Mr. Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab BAM AG as the Rector of Zainul Hasan University. The Honorable to Miss Wahyu Lestari MPD as the Dean of Scientific and Education Teaching Faculty. The Honorable to Mr. Zainuddin MPD as the Head of English Education Department, and the Honorable to Mr. Dr. Benny Hamdani MPD as the Lecturer of Psikologi Education Aceh. I'm Iftitah Hidayati. I will presentation about my PowerPoint. Okay, Development Psychology. Development psychology is a branch of psychology that studies change and growth in human behavior, cognitive abilities, and emotion throughout the lifespan from the prenatal period to elderly. Okay, growth and development. Growth is a process of increase in physical size in humans, such as increase in height, body weight, and organ volume. And development is a process of change toward maturity, such as involves maturation, organ functions, and more complex abilities. Next stage of human development. Number 1 is prenatal stage. Prenatal stage, this still depends on the mother's conditions for 9 months. And then number 2 is baby stage of toddler stage, is from 0 to 5 years old. And for abilities is crawling and walking, speaking and thinking, solving simple problems. Okay, then number 3 is children or childhood stage, is from 5 to 10 years old. And for abilities is speaking and storytelling, reading and writing, developing hobbies and interests, and learning at school. And number 4 is youth or adolescence stage, is from 11 to 18 years old, undergoes puberty resulting in physical and psychological change. And for abilities is abstract thinking and independent behavior. Next, number 5 is adulthood stage, from 19 to 40 years old. For abilities, living independently, capable of mature thinking and judgment, focus on career and family, bearing social responsibility. And the last, number 6 is elderly stage, is from above 40 years old. Effort change is decrease in organ functions, skin starts to wrinkle, decrease in cognitive ability, and hair starts to turn white. And then development is divided into 4 types. Number 1 is cognitive change or cognitive development, and number 2 is emotional development, and then number 3 is language development, and the last is moral development. In number 1 is cognitive development, is change in the ability to think, understand, and process information as one age, which include abilities such as problem solving, learning, memory, and abstract thinking. And then number 2 is emotional development, is the process in which individuals learn to identify, understand, and manage their feelings by involving change in the way individuals feel, express, and manage emotions throughout all their lives. Okay, number 3 is language development. Language development is the process in which individuals acquire and develop the ability to communicate through language, including the understanding and use of word, sentence structure, and speaking and listening skills. And the last, moral development. Moral development is a change in understanding and judgment of what is right and wrong. This development includes the formations of values, ethical norms, and moral decision making based on principle and social situations. And then, factors that affect development. Number 1 is genetic factor. This refers to the inherited traits and predispositions based on from parents to offspring. These are the biological blueprints and influence various aspects of an individual's development. And then number 2 is environmental factors. This encompasses all the external influences and conditions that an individual is exposed to throughout their lives. This includes physical surroundings, social interactions, and cultural influences, nutrition, education, and experiences. And number 3 is interactions between genetic and environmental factors. This crucial point emphasize the interactive and dynamic relationship between genetic and environmental. And the last, conclusions. Conclusions of developmental psychology is that the process of human development involves continuous change and complex interactions between genetic and environmental factors throughout life. Developmental psychology studies how individuals develop physically, cognitively, emotionally, and social from parental to old age. Understanding the stage of development, the factor that influence change, and the challenge faced at each stage help in understanding human behavior and designing interventions that support the growth and well-being of individuals. Okay, I think enough my presentation about developmental psychology. I'm so sorry for all my mistakes and thank you for watching. And as I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.